In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block YouTube in Google Chrome. If you want fewer distractions or you're setting up a more focused browsing experience, this quick walkthrough will show you how to block YouTube using a trusted Chrome extension. Start by opening a new tab in Google Chrome. In the address bar at the top, type Chrome Web Store and press Enter. You should see the official Chrome Web Store in the results. Open it. Inside the store, look for the search box and type block site, then press enter. You're looking for the block site extension, a popular website blocker that lets you stop specific sites with a click. Tip: make sure you're installing it from the official store listing and review the permissions so you know what it can access. On the block site listing, click Add to Chrome. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Add extension to proceed. Chrome will download and install it, and you may see a brief notice confirming it's been added. If the extension opens a welcome screen, that's normal. Just proceed. At the top right of Chrome, click the puzzle piece icon to open your extensions. Next to block site, click the pin icon to highlight it. Pinning keeps the block site button visible on your toolbar so you can access it quickly. Now switch back to your open YouTube tab. With YouTube in view, click the extensions button at the top right and then select block site. This opens the extension controls for the page you're on. Choose block current site. The extension will immediately put YouTube on your block list and your tab should switch to a blocked page so you know it worked. If the page doesn't change right away, refresh the tab to see the block take effect. That's it. YouTube is now blocked in Google Chrome on this browser profile. A couple of quick notes to keep in mind. This block applies to Chrome where you installed the extension. If you use multiple profiles or devices, you'd repeat the same process there. If you ever need to undo the block, open the block site extension again and remove YouTube from the list. And if you rely on incognito mode, check the extension's details to allow it in incognito so the block carries over. You've successfully set up a clean, distraction-free browsing experience with just a few clicks. Thanks for watching and great job taking control of your focus.